Did I explain what Tingle does? She takes rubies. So you better hurry. Oh, we can jump. Yay. You got the boomerang? Yeah. I need the boomerang. I don't want to be helpless. Wait a minute. I have to go back down. Before Tinkle comes. Grab it. Grab it. Wait till it comes. Wait till it comes. 1, 2, 3, go. Yay. Wasting time for Stan, but I needed him. Who cares? See you in the next part.